Hello and welcome to Excel for Teachers. I've been a primary school teacher since 1995. I've created hundreds of Excel spreadsheets to help my teaching. Now it's time for Excel to help you. Are you fed up of creating paper mountains? Or are you fed up trying to find data in folders? Just fed up of spending hours and hours trying to analyse data? Look no further. Excel spreadsheets can help you with all these three problems. Why Excel spreadsheets? Firstly, they're fast and their data can be sorted and sent and analysed automatically and instantly, and data is easy to find. In turn, this saves you time and gives you more time to relax. Excel for Teaching have created many different types of spreadsheets, from maths tests, homework check-in, house points, handwriting analysis, data analysis, and finding patterns in behaviour. These are just three: spellings, homework, and handwriting assessment. And this is a dashboard sheet which comes with most programs. It gives you an overview of what the program does and gives you some user-friendly graphics to enhance that as well. What can an Excel spreadsheet do for you then? It saves you time, generates useful statistics, and reduces your paper mountain. Why don't you check out all the range available on the website? Thank you for listening.